You could use it as a dip, you could spread it over your toast, or you could boost the texture and taste of your salad by using it as a dressing. The ingredient common to halva, hummus, and baba ganoush. Tahini not only has a rich taste, but it also boasts some amazing health benefits. Want to know what those are? Stay tuned as we look at tahini and its top 7 health benefits that make it an essential kitchen commodity. What is tahini? Tahini is essentially roasted sesame seeds that are ground into a paste. Due to its amazing nutty flavor, it is used to prepare popular dips like hummus and baba ganoush, and is a common staple in North African, Iranian, Greek, and Middle Eastern cuisine. If you want to boost the overall nutritional content of your diet, then tahini should be one of the first things to cross your mind. Just a couple of tablespoons of tahini in the morning and you don't have to worry about getting the essential nutrients anymore. Nutrients. Healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, proteins, you name it. Tahini has got you covered on all fronts. A single tablespoon of tahini has 90 calories, 3 grams of protein, 8 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, 27% daily value of copper, 13% of the daily value of thiamine, and 11% of the daily value of vitamin B6, phosphorus, and manganese, 9% daily value of selenium and phosphorus, 7% daily value of iron, 6% that of zinc, and 5% of calcium. If you're worried about the high fat content of tahini, then don't be. Almost 50% of this fat comes from monounsaturated fatty acids that are actually beneficial for your health, decreasing the risk of chronic diseases. These nutrients should be enough of a reason to start eating more tahini, but we haven't even scratched the surface of it yet. In addition to being packed with these amazing nutrients, tahini has been found to have some great health benefits as well. Let's look at the top 7 health benefits of tahini. Number 1. Loaded with antioxidants. Free radicals are the silent killers inside our bodies that could start a chain reaction of evil inside us, breaking cell walls, destroying proteins, and messing with the DNA. All of this messing around inside our bodies can lead to serious complications, like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancers. Hence, their presence would have been pretty alarming for us, if not for the guardian compounds called the antioxidants that take it upon themselves to safely dispose of these reactive species. These protective compounds are produced inside of our bodies and are also replenished through the diet. Tahini is one such diet source with a lot of antioxidants. The kind of antioxidants found in tahini are lignans, sesame, and sesamol. Sesame has shown its worth in test tubes and animal studies. Studies have shown that sesame may decrease the risk of cancer and also protect the liver from free radical damage. However, since these are just based on animal and test tube studies, human-based research is essential for concluding anything. Number 2. May protect against heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Sesame seeds are not just great nutritionally, they can keep you at bay from developing troublesome conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. That's not just us saying. A series of studies have found the truth behind this. One such study was conducted on 50 people with knee osteoarthritis, who were given 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds daily. The results of this little regimen was that the sesame seed group saw a significant decrease in their cholesterol levels, as compared to the placebo group. Since high cholesterol level is a major risk factor for heart disease and type 2 diabetes, it goes to show the potential of tahini as a food choice with protective properties against these conditions. Similarly, another study conducted on people with type 2 diabetes found that those who started taking 2 tablespoons of tahini in their breakfast saw a significant decrease in their triglyceride levels at the end of 6-week study period. High triglyceride levels are again a major risk factor for heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Yet another study found that sesame oil found in tahini gave a big helping hand to conventional anti-diabetic medication in reducing blood sugar levels significantly. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Let's get one thing out of the way first. You cannot get rid of inflammation. You just can't. It's a natural body response to injuries and foreign invasion of microbes and viruses and is a sign that the immune system is fast at work. However, chronic inflammation is a different story altogether. Chronic inflammation can contribute to conditions like cancer, diabetes, and autoimmune diseases, and thus it should not be taken lightly. The best way to tackle chronic inflammation is to take protective measures beforehand, so that things don't escalate to that point. Speaking of which, studies have shown that tahini could offer just the protection that you'll need against chronic inflammation. Tahini has certain compounds that are highly anti-inflammatory. Much of the research surrounding the efficacy of tahini and sesame seeds against inflammation is based on animal studies. For example, some animal studies suggest that sesame and other antioxidants in sesame seeds may ease inflammation due to injury, lung disease, and rheumatoid arthritis. Similarly, sesame and sesame seeds has been studied in animals as a potential treatment for asthma, which is caused by airway inflammation. Promising as they are, these studies are still not enough to establish tahini and sesame seeds as a treatment for chronic inflammation in humans. Number 4. Antibacterial properties. The presence of powerful antioxidants in tahini and sesame seeds impart them with antibacterial properties as well. When the effectiveness of sesame seeds extract was tested on drug-resistant bacterial samples, amazingly, sesame extract was found to be effective against 77% of the bacterial samples. No wonder folks from Central Europe and Middle Eastern countries use sesame oil for wounds. One study on rats actually supports this practice, as it found that the fats and antioxidants in sesame oil can help heal wounds. However, we'll have to wait for some human studies before we could confidently replace conventional drugs with sesame oil. Number 5. May improve brain health. The presence of powerful antioxidants makes tahini an excellent food source for boosting brain health. Not only that, but it can also help prevent neurodegenerative diseases like dementia. This is because the compounds in sesame seeds protect brain and nerve cells from free radical damage, as found through test tube studies. What makes antioxidants in tahini even more effective is the fact that they can bypass the blood-brain barrier and hence can directly affect the brain and central nervous system. And it's not just dementia. An animal study suggests that the antioxidants in sesame seeds may be effective in preventing Alzheimer's disease as well. These same antioxidants were found to have helped in preventing the formation of beta-amyloid plaques in the brain, which is a characteristic of Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, it was found in a rat study that sesame seed antioxidants can also alleviate the harmful effects of aluminum toxicity in the brain. Number 6. Anticancer Potential. The research on tahini and its potential benefits is booming right now. One popular topic is the anti-cancer potential of sesame compounds, particularly sesame and sesamol. These compounds are powerful antioxidants that belong to lignans. Since lignans have a similar structure to estrogen, these lignans could bind to estrogen receptors and thus prevent hormone-related cancers. Not only that, but test tube studies have found them to promote the death of certain cancer cells, like that of colon, lung, liver, and breast. These compounds can also slow down the growth of the tumors and protect the body against free radicals. That is again a risk factor of cancer. In addition, animal studies have found that sesamol could also fight against skin, colon, and cervical cancer cells. Number 7. May help protect liver and kidneys. The organs responsible for detoxifying the body, liver and kidneys, could also benefit from amazing compounds of tahini. It turns out that the antioxidants found in tahini may help protect these organs from damage. One of the many studies that validate this effect was conducted on 46 people with type 2 diabetes. The study found that the participants who consumed sesame oil for 90 days noticed a major improvement in their kidneys and liver function, as opposed to the placebo group. A rodent study goes a step beyond that and claims that the consumption of sesame seed not only promoted better liver function but also decreased the likelihood of fatty liver disease by increasing the burning of fat and decreasing the production of it in the liver. It is important to note here that most of the studies were conducted with sesame seed extracts and oils, not tahini itself. Although tahini also has the beneficial antioxidant compounds found in these extracts, their concentration is not nearly as strong as in the sesame extracts. Finally, to summarize, tahini is a paste or butter of roasted sesame seeds that is jam-packed with nutrients like proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. In addition to being nutrient-rich, tahini also has amazing health benefits. The top 7 health benefits of tahini include being a great source of antioxidants, providing protection from heart disease and type 2 diabetes, having anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, improving brain health, having anti-cancer properties, and protecting the liver and kidneys from damage. With that, we come to the end of today's video. We hope that you benefited from this video. If you did, please hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Want to see more videos like this one? Please subscribe to our channel, Welcome to Wellness, and press the bell icon as well so you never miss another video. We'll see you in another healthy video. Until then, take care.